You want to make your first $10 to $20 online absolutely free, then let's do survey. Surveys are easy to start, free, and you can do that with your gadget. But the thing with surveys is most of them don't accept Africans, they don't accept Nigerians. Good news, I found these 7 survey websites you can start today as a Nigerian. So to my Nigerian audience, this is for you. Yes, so I'm going to show you 7 survey websites you can create account with today. It doesn't matter where you live, that will pay you between 50 cents to $2 for completing survey questions. Taking surveys is basically responding to questions. Those companies want to hear your opinion regarding their product or service, so they use this idea in improving their product or service. It's just simple and something you can do with your gadget. So the third survey website, it's my favorite, and that's because it's specifically for Nigerians. On this survey site, you make between 100 to 600 Naira per survey you complete. This is something you definitely want to see. So let's dive in. So this is the first on my list, and it is specifically for Nigerians. Now look at the sign up form. It automatically detects the country where you are, and then you go on to create accounts immediately without any stress. You just need to put in your basic details, your name, and the rest of other things. As soon as you're done supplying this information, you create account for yourself. So on this survey site, you earn money completing surveys. First, you create a free account with your mobile phone. Then you take part in surveys. That is, you participate in taking surveys, you earn points, and then you go on to redeem your points. You get paid via PayPal. So if you look at this registration page, you will agree with me that this one is made with love for Nigerians. The link to sign up is in the description of this video, so go on and click on the link. It's going to bring you to this page where you are going to create an account for yourself and start taking part in surveys and making money doing that. They accept people from over 123 countries in the world. They have over 2 million registered users, and people have made up to £1 million from this website. So it's definitely not something you should joke with. We send out frequent invitation by email asking members to take part in surveys on any subject, thanks to various collaborations with international partners. Now this is really exciting. So you know what to do? Click on the link and create a free account for yourself. But before you do that, let me show you 6 other survey sites you can sign up on today. Here's the second survey site that will pay you as a Nigerian for taking surveys from your mobile phone. You earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys and more. So here you need to download the app, and with your phone you go on and start taking surveys. On this survey site, they have paid over $6 million to people for taking surveys. Since 2012 they started, so you are definitely going to be one of those people that are earning these dollars once you create account for yourself. Got a few minutes to spare while waiting in line? Make your time more rewarding with feature points. You just need to download the app and create a free account for yourself. Go on and start taking surveys immediately. The link to sign up is in the description. Surveys cut across different topics. Earn points by sharing your opinion with us, answer questions, and get paid. So you just need to get on this and then start making money taking surveys. So what do? You download the app. Just try the app for a few minutes and you will be credited. And another way to earn money from this survey site is referral. So you can share with your family and friends. Once they sign up using your link, you also get paid. So after taking surveys, you accumulate points. You can now go on to redeem the points for money. Redeem your points on a huge selection of gift cards, including Amazon, PayPal, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin, and many others. And here comes the third survey site, and like I said, it's my favorite. It is specifically for Nigerian. On this survey site, you earn between 100 to 600 Naira per completed survey. So it's really an amazing one. Here is the home page. So on this site, you can actively participate in market research, give your opinion, and earn money by taking part in online and mobile surveys. So this is actually a mobile survey. As you can see, it's something you can perform with your mobile phone. Depending on the phone you are using, you need to download the App Store or Google Play, and once it's downloaded on your phone, go on and create a free account. Easy to create. Once you're done doing this, you go on and start taking surveys and start getting paid. One of the things I love about this survey site is that it has an excellent rating from Trustpilot. It got up to 4.5-star rating out of 5 points. You got a lot of amazing reviews from people who are already using this. So how does it work? You register and complete your profile. Then you go on to take part in surveys on interesting topics. That is to say, you are not obligated to take all the surveys. You pick the ones you want, you let others be. Then as soon as you're done completing the surveys, you have fun and get paid for your opinion. Okay, so the next thing is, how does it pay? There are about 3 payment options you have on this survey site. The first one is PayPal. You have Script and you have Echo Matcher. So you can go on and select any of the options that works best for you. So the name of this survey site is Mobrok, and the link to sign up is contained in the description. You need to use this link if you're a Nigerian to get yourself on the platform that accepts Nigerians. Going down a bit on the website, they have this promise they are making everyone that sign up on this site. It says you can earn money with interesting surveys. The second promise is that they protect your privacy 100%. And then finally, we will always tell you how long a survey will take approximately before you begin. Of course, how much you get paid per survey depends on the time spent working on it and how complex or simple it is. To create an account, you need to come over here and click on this button that says register. When it opens, you see this simple registration page where you are going to submit your basic details and go on and create a free account for yourself. With that said, let's move on to survey site number 4 that pay Nigerians to participate in online surveys. Are you getting value from this? Are you loving it? Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. You don't want to miss out on all the things I have for you, because I have a lot in stock for you. Now here comes the 4th survey site that will pay you as a Nigerian or from anywhere in the world for taking surveys. This survey site believes that your opinion matters. Join Survey Savvy and get paid to speak your mind. The more surveys you take, the more money you make. Now, how does it work? Companies are looking for consumers' opinion from people like you. So after you join and complete member profile, we will invite you to participate. You just, with a click of a button, you create account and then you start taking those surveys. Most of the survey questions you're going to encounter here are the things you have done in the past. So it's basically you discussing your experience interacting with a product or a service from a particular company. The name of this survey site is called surveysavvy.com. The link is contained in the description too. So if you're someone that loves surfing the web, you love researching, you can make money doing that from this survey site. They have yet another way you can make money from this, which is referral. And the 5th survey site is Opinion World. Future is in your hands. Get rewarded for sharing your views and make tomorrow better than today. So just go on and click the link to sign up and create a free account for yourself. This is also open to Nigerians and everyone around the world. They use 3 different payments, which is PayPal, Amazon gift card, on Apple. So you just need to go on and create a free account. In 3 steps, you are done. You have your say. As you take part in those surveys, you get paid. So on this survey site, you earn up to 300 points per survey you completed, which you would later redeem in cash. So they pay up to 325,000 USD every month to people on this platform, and they have up to 2 million surveys available every month. Imagine getting a percentage of these 2 million surveys to yourself. That's exactly what you earn when you join this survey. So their website is so simple. You can have a look at it. All you need is click on this button that says join, then go on and complete the simple profile registration. And the 6th survey site is called Naira. It says respond to paid surveys in Nigeria and earn up to $3.25. Looks like this is dedicated to Nigerians, so you are sure to earn money as soon as you're done working on this. So on Naira, you can perform the task with your computer as well as your phone, because they have mobile app that can be downloaded. So you just need to click on the link in the description of this video to create an account for yourself, then go on and start making money. The 7th and the last survey site that pay Nigerians to participate in survey is Ysense. Yes, Ysense accepts Nigerians to join the survey and start making money from surveys. So it says earn extra cash online. Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. You just need to go on and create your account. So there are 3 ways you can actually make money from this one. The first one is taking part in the surveys. The second one is cash offers. Yes, they have cash offers. And finally, they also have referral, where you can bring in people and then you make money just for bringing people to sign up on the platform using your referral link. Ysense is actually very popular and is known for payments. A lot of people have worked on this survey site and they've made money from doing so. They have a lot of international partners, so you are definitely going to see something to work on. So all you need to do is just to create an account for yourself by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Let me know in the comment section the one you are going to start with. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to share it with your family and friends. There's someone on your list who needs to see this to learn how to make money taking surveys. See you in my next video.